Today we're going to do a type of photography which seems kind of easy, but it does actually require some special skills. And the thing is, it's going to require even more skills because apparently we have to cook our own food for food photography.
Fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. And especially as we've got the combined cooking skills of a little mouse.
The producers challenged us to give a quick guide on how to do food photography, but they wanted us to cook the food first, which meant buying the ingredients. So we dragged a Lambie along while we played with the shopping trolley. This is the Naked Food Photographer. Food photography stripped down to its bare essentials. Paka.
Anyway, so we're back and they've dressed us up like tablecloths. I think we can camouflage ourselves.
Here's a look at the ingredients for today, done in the old DigitalRev TV presenter's style.
Muffin, salad, asparagus, basil, you can see just how dead they are by looking at them, butter, bacon, medium brown eggs, 6 of them, and instruction manual, don't show the face, and of course, the camera itself.
So basically, the producers set us up to this task because they know that both of us don't like cooking, so they think it's going to be a really funny video. It's great.
I'm excited, right? I can't make anything else.
It's not cooking anything.
No, I can't cook. I can't cook anything.
Yeah, I can see that. You're not cooking anything. It's ready.
No, it's the art direction.
Yeah.
Make it look good.
Might as well leave now. Alright, see you. See you. So anyway, I'm going to do eggs benedict because I want to eat it afterwards. See, they've also given us these cute little copper things.
Yeah, it looks nice, but it's like for kids.
You can't even put an egg in there. Yeah, what's the point of that?
It's made in France, maybe that's why French people are so skinny.
Well, that's because all their food is like a tiny bit in the middle of a white plate, isn't it?
If a plate of this size.
Yeah, and just like
oh, maybe that's why they just cook a little bit, so they have a pot that's small. Yeah. Actually, there's some tips for you guys for food photography. It's not about is it delicious. It's about does it look good in photos. You take like this obviously out. It's got a little bit of black stuff. It's not fresh.
While Locke was looking at my water, I thought I'd turn the heat up a bit.
Let's take it back, see what it looks like.
Back in the studio, things were also starting to heat up.
Hey, Kai. Kai!
Oh shit, bollocks! Bollocks! Alright.
Should you turn it down a bit first? You're making flying now.
Shit. Oh, bollocks. That hasn't gone very well.
It's like those Chinese soup.
Oh no. Oh, okay, that's gone wrong. That's not funny. That's fine. That's fine. No,
Why can't you just buy some food and talk about food photography? Just like get some chassis rice. What's wrong with chassis rice?
Eggs can't be trusted, so I thought I'd give the vegetables a try first.
full power.
No, actually, you don't have to boil this, isn't it? It's not for eat.
Blanch it. Just blanch the vegetables to get the colour.
Because fully cooked is not looking good on photos as well.
It'll be soggy, be limp, Right, so they're in, these babies are in.
Luckily, you don't need to worry about giving anyone food poisoning because you just need to get the colour out of the food. But don't overdo it, otherwise it will end up limp like a... never mind. Meat generally looks better when you cook it.
I think this definitely needs oil. Whoa! That's a bit,
You mean fried bacon?
That's alright. That's alright. That's good. It's all good.
We good. You know what? I'm get some thing.
Oh. Alright. Alright, see you later then. It's alright for some, isn't it? I tell you what. I've got a little surprise. See, the thing is, he doesn't like touching anything raw in terms of meat, nothing with blood. So what better early birthday present than a load of chicken feet? Let's stir-fried chicken.
What's this about?
Oh no! Oh, you know what? Those chickens have come in the door again, and they've dropped their feet off, and then crawled away. Oh, those bloody chickens!
It's really birthday.
You assholes! Right, good luck.
What do we do with this?
We probably need to marinate it. Maybe add a little bit of sauce, and then, well, you might need to cook it first. So let me finish with this, and you can have this.
Cook it?
Yeah.
We've got egg benedict, not egg benedict. Benedict. Ooh. Just care about it, that thing. Let me try to do this.
Jesus. Alright.
Oh, come on, you used this before,
Yeah.
it's alright.
And I know what it's. Oh! Oh! See, I wasn't joking. This is from China, so good luck. Anyway, the key to this is to get a nice bit of brown colouring on that. But we don't want it. Yeah, that's enough. Perfect. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I know, that's what I've been saying all along. Oh, no.
Anyway, after we stopped arguing, we managed to cobble something together. Here it is. And as you can see, it looks exactly not like what you see on the TV. But it doesn't have to taste good as long as it looks reasonable. So I oiled the vegetable and brushed off the plate, ready for the shoot.
And a bit of olive oil on the salad as well. It's better than just spray water on it because water vapor very quickly.
Adding a little bit of oil to the vegetables make them look a bit shiny, fresh and tasty. I like to shoot from a point of view as if you're the diner about to tuck into your eggs benedict.
It's still a bit too conscious.
It's a bit dark.
Yeah.
We need to brighten up the shadows with reflector.
If you look at the object you take photo and find which direction, which angle to shine light. The closer the reflector, the stronger the reflected light.
That's good.
this is right. But maybe you can break the egg yolk a bit and let it... It's nice to capture the food when it's bleeding its eggy yolk everywhere. But food doesn't stay the same. Some things change colour, some things go soggy. Time it and get that shot before it's too late. And here are the photos. Food photography is all about the 3 P's. Preparation, presentation, and photographerization. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe.